This is extra virgin olive oil here. We put an initial dousing of it before we put in these, what we call these vegetable gyoza pot stickers. And try to move them around and clip them. Yeah, make it little. Yeah. And that one's good. Got them all except this one. Nope. There. Got them all now. We didn't put the whole package of the pot stickers in, maybe about a third.
You can put some more in if you want.
Put some more in now. There's some more. So I don't know what pot stickers are. I know that the package says vegetable. And right now what we're doing, is this called frying?
Yeah.
In a big fry pan. And we got the olive oil. And it's filling out the frying pan.
Do you have any oil on the new ones yet?
Oil on the new ones?
Yeah, is there any oil left on the pan?
No, I don't think the new ones. You can see that the old ones have got the oil all over them.
Maybe put some oil on the new ones. Then.
Right. Open that up.
It's open.
Okay. And then we'll see here. There. Now let's see if that makes a difference. You can see the oil on there. Couple of them, I think almost.
Those frozen ones that are stuck together, maybe break those off on the top.
Right. I don't want to do it by hand. It's all the same. But I think they're still frozen together. Let's see what
maybe
else.
turn up the heat a little bit. I turned it down maybe too much. Go to medium. No, just medium.
Just medium. Okay. I don't think they're ready yet to break up.
So grab that lid on your left there and just put it over.
This one, I don't think we got a big lid for
That's fine, just put it over.
For this frying pan. I don't know if we got
They'll all kind of suck in, you see that?
Yeah. So I don't know if we ever did have a lid for that frying pan. We got them for the other ones.
Yeah, I don't think that one came with one.
For this one, we got a lid for this one.
So we'll leave that cook for a little.